Hello friends, welcome back. I am Himanshu, and in this video we are going to learn even more as far as security is concerned. Here the situation is that I want to protect a workbook. I want to protect it in such a manner so that while opening it, it should prompt for a password. If the password is correct, then only this workbook should open, otherwise not. So how to do that? It's very easy. You need to go to this file option and then info. From here you will get to see this option of protect workbook. Click on protect workbook and there you will see the option of encrypt with password. Click on this and you need to give the password. Confirm the password by re-entering it and save it. Just in order to make you all understand, I'm going to save us this copy in desktop with the name data list test. So the name is data list test in desktop and save it. I'm going to close it. So here you may see this particular file data list test. Double click on this and here you may see that it has not opened. It's asking for a password. Give the password and then it will be open. If you want to remove the password from this particular file, go to file, info, protect workbook, encrypt with password and remove the password manually. Click on OK and save it and close it. If you are going to open this file once again, you will see that it's not prompting for any password. So this is how you can make a particular workbook or Excel file password enabled. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.